Hi there, it's George here and you got a new bamboo video. This is an update on the bamboo. If you remember when I planted bamboo, from roots I planted, from Italy the roots did arrive, and I did made a video how I planted those roots, and now it's a special video because the new canes just take off. As you can see, this one, it's very beautiful, and it grow almost 1 meter, but we'll see how tall it will grow. This should maybe 3 meters or 4 meters. Yeah, we'll see after a week or 2 weeks. But I noticed a new shoots growing here. Another 3 shoots. 4. That's amazing. 5. And here another one. A lot of new shoots. That's exciting news for me. And started rain right now. Very beautiful. Let me show you another bamboo canes did grow here. This one I planted next to the river here. And look at these new canes. Very thick. This one will be like the first one I did show you. That is awesome, but I don't know how this bamboo name variety. You know? Write me in the comments. Such beautiful that finally I have bamboo very thick that doesn't grow from seed or something like that small. But I love that bamboo, most bamboo as well. So this shoot, as you can see, already growing the leaves. Awesome. Yeah, let's see how tall this bamboo grow. But look at the old shoots. Another shoot here. That is beautiful. And here, as you can see, the old canes, how thick. And in the future will be thick like these ones. But we will see. Such looking this shoot. It's very beautiful. And still don't know how it goes. And if you remember, I planted golden bamboo here. It's still not any grow, but I wait new canes. It's still like green on some shoots, and will grow for sure. But we have to wait it. This one I have to clean some branches like this, dry, and another ones clean more, and I will see how it will grow. This golden bamboo Phyllostasis oleo, you know, in the nature here will grow beautiful. This is a special video of bamboo. But I noticed here growing new leaves. That is awesome, good sign. And this bamboo which I grew from roots from Italy, such looking at the leaves. Maybe you know the name. And so nice to see these beautiful young shoots, as you can see. Hello, just another one. That's good, another one here. Well, I hope you enjoyed the bamboo video, and thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye.